So to spread it, you're going to have to use one of these tools. So the spreader, just dip it in the alcohol and stick it in the flame and pull it out. This is not a sterile loop. You're not roasting it like you do with your loop. You're simply sticking it in until the alcohol catches fire and removing it. And that will sterilize your spreader. Now you have to let it cool and then spread your E. coli over the surface of your plate. If you're not sure if it's cool, just touch the spreader to the side of the Petri plate where you haven't squirted your E. coli, and that'll sizzle, and then wait a second or two and then spread, okay? Maybe you like this type of spreading better. Let's pretend this is my Petri plate. With this spreader, if you put it in the center of the Petri plate and just spin it around, it's like the diameter of the Petri plate is what the radius, or whatever. You're swirling it around. So this one too, but it's glass, so don't roast it in there or it'll shatter and go in your eyes. So just stick it in the alcohol, stick it in the flame and pull it out. And when the flame goes out, let it cool and use it to spread your, everybody does it differently, I guess. If something catches on fire, so don't let your alcohol get too close to the burner, because alcohol will catch fire like that, okay? If your thing is on fire, don't stick it back in the alcohol because the fire will cause, okay? If there's a fire, put the lid over it.